Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I'm reading to you I Love My Family by Bluey and Bingo. First published by Puffin Books, 2023, and copyright Ludo Studio, 2018. I Love My Family by Bluey and Bingo. Hi, I'm Bingo, and I'm going to tell you why my family is the best in the universe. Our family isn't the best, Bingo. Huh? Muffin's family's way better. What? Why? Uncle Stripe buys Muffin ice cream. Oh, yeah. And when we ask Dad for our ice cream, he just plays rag doll. It's very rude. And Muffin has an electric car and a pool in her backyard. Yeah, but the pool's got a crawly thing. And she's got loads of moonlight unicorns and a caravan. It's all mine. Hey kids, have you seen the lid to the water bottle? It was here this morning. I'll help you look. Mum, is Muffin's family better than ours because she has a pool? A pool doesn't make a family a family. What makes a family then? What matters is how much you love each other. Well, how do we know how much we love each other? Well, do we all love doing things together? Yes, I love it when Dad plays cafe and lets me eat pavlova. And I love beating him at memory snap. We love his duck cake. He lets us do his makeup. How do you remove makeup? And say the word dunny. Hey. We love dancing together, especially outside. And making you and Dad fancy romance dinners. We love playing with our cousins Muffin and Socks too. Once we went backpacking and we were the backpacks. I like being pizza sisters with Socks. And Muffin is a good mechanic. Sometimes Muffin gets a bit tired. Ride, Flamingo, ride! And we have to look after her. Who else do you like spending time with? Nana! Everyone gets what they want at Nana's house. Ice blocks. And Granddad, he's the best croc catcher. It was funny teaching him how to use apps. I'm here to pick up my sausages. What about your Aunt Trixie and Uncle Stripe? Well, Aunt Trixie was the best wise old wolfhound. And Uncle Stripe loves playing horsey ride with us. Remember when we face talked Muffin and she stole Uncle Stripe's phone? That was funny. Uncle Stripe had to chase her all around the house. But not funny when we saw Aunt Trixie on the toilet. Oh dear. What about Uncle Rat and Frisky? We love it when Frisky plays Torch Mouse. And Uncle Rat lets us walk on the ceiling. And we love the bedtime stories they tell together. Who else do we love playing with? Mr. Monkey Jocks. Forget him. That monkey was too big for his boots. Hey Dad, this is our book. Someone's jealous. Well, you can't forget Unicourse. Oh yes we can. So our family is a family because we play together, we dance together, and we laugh together. That's why we love our family. Found it!